What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing today? Today is gonna be freaking exciting. I'm going to finally be introducing you to the club that I've been pretty much a part of for the last, like 2-3 months now. It's Could Be Mob, and today we're having a huge event here in Fresno. And yeah, we're gonna be meeting some of the members and checking out their whips and seeing how this event goes. It's pretty freaking exciting though. You guys have no idea. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be at our local park called Woodward Park. It's in Fresno. It's pretty known in this area in the valley. And yeah, it's gonna be dope. So stay tuned for today. We're gonna go get the AMG washed. My bro's supposed to roll out. Got a couple homies also meeting up. Some other AMGs gonna be there going as well. So stay tuned. You guys ready to see some dope whips? And just have a good day with me and follow along. So let's do it. Yee! So it was good. We just pulled up to the first spot right here. We're doing our little pre-meet. The boy Mike, the SI. Got Adam right here pulling up. Eco Boost boy. See you. One, that little Civic with the STI. Say what's up. Say what's up.
So what's up?
There's Nick right here.
Oh, wow.
Fastest fucking Kia Stinger around, dude. Shoo! We got Weta over here with the stretch tires on the Mustang. There we go. Oh man, you guys don't even know about the red guts on the Kia. Yeah, look at the ass cheek marks. Okay. So yeah, right now we're meeting up here first to get everybody lined up and everybody that's gonna be rolling into the meet. So basically a meet and greet. So yeah. I didn't wash the AMG. I should have. She's always looking pretty. Stay tuned though. We're gonna have a few more AMGs coming out, hopefully. So. Alright, so it looks like we're rolling out. Check it out. My bro just pulled up. Got all the whips lined up. Woo! Letting them hear that AMG, boy. Shoot, we got Brad, the president, right here. Mr. Wavy. Subies are rolling out. Looks pretty dope. Subarus. What's up, buddy? There we go, we're rolling out. Got some Beamers behind. Got Cody. Ooh. Alright, so we just pulled up to the meet. Right now I'm going to give you guys a little preview of the lineup right now since we're super early, but Could Be Mob rolled out deep right here, boy. Woo! So anyways, we're going to start right here with the Hondas in the club. We got a prospect. We got a club member right here. This is one, like I said, and we got another member. We got Mike, looking good. Then we believe this is a prospect. This is one of our buddies. And then we got a member right here. Like I said, this is Mr. Fast Guy right here. Mr. Nick, what?
So what's up?
Too fast right here, dude. What is this, a V8?
Yeah, V12.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Subi, what's up? What's good? We got our photographer, video editor right here. Check it out. What's good, Noah? Sheesh. The Subi gangs. Look at all the Subi boys right here. Too cool. How you guys doing?
Good.
Yeah. Ooh. Gotta get all your guys' cars in here. Damn. Oh, look at the carbon on this. Shoo. Oh man, this thing's clean, dude. Then we're rolling into our Mustang people. Damn, Fast Guy Wedo right here. Sheesh. Fastest, I think this is a V6, right?
Yeah.
It's V6, but he's on bags. Then we got Wavy. Adam with the donk. Yeah, the donk. And we got fastest V6 right here.
V6.
Then my bro rolling up. The CLK 500. AMG. Then my boy, woo, Cody pulling up in the E36. Then his boy, this shit's clean as hell. Woo. Look at the chromies. With the red guts. Oh man, he's killing them. Check that out. Yeah. There we are. Then we got the E92 right here. On some Nichis. Oh, and it's a 6-speed manual. E92. Oh dang, and he skates? Sheesh. So basically that's most of us. We have a few more pulling in that are part of our club and or family I should say, and yeah, so I'll come back right now when more people actually show up. Like I said, we're right in the beginning. We're like the first major club to be here, so it's gonna be a pretty good event though. So can't wait to see what shows up today. Damn, check that out. Oh yeah, look at it, look at it, look at it. Whoa. Clean. Elote guy. Right there. Fire.
Remember, you got a GoPro too?
Always. All I'm saying is that damn. Oh my god, that's copyright. Hi Punjabi buddy. Hey. He went pretty hard. He went hard. Yeah, he's Pakistani, so hit him up, ladies. All right, you guys, I will give you $5. I will PayPal you $5 if any of you have ever seen this cellular device. Okay, what is this?
Let me cover the name.
What is this?
Hey, can I check the price on this?
Look at this. It's like a brick.
Hey, check the price on this.
It is a brick. Who has seen that? I'm serious. Have you seen one of those? All right, so we're going for a little mob to see what else is here. Right now, we're still pretty early though. Got a sexy ass 2-valve. Ooh, S197. A bag 2-valve. Got some little Mustangs. Little Mustang guys. And we got some Maros. Nice. Look at the ZL1. Ooh, got the ZL1. Looking fresh. Little SS. ZL1. A lot of ZL1s. Oh, another ZL1. Okay. And then we got the wide body Hellcat. Jeez, look at these guys. Hey, I wonder if this is real right here. It says SRT Chrysler 300. 392 Hemi. Look at it. What? Look at that little Shelby right here hiding with the NT05s on it. Jeez. Looks clean. Definitely a car I would consider buying, but I don't know. It's just sexy. All right, so yeah, the meet is filling in. My dad just pulled up right now. But yeah, me and B had to take a little pit stop, go run up the hill. But yeah, cars are definitely rolling in. This is pretty exciting. But yeah, here's an aerial view for you guys. Well, kind of an aerial. Yeah, there she is. My dad is right there. Swamping in the ISF. Look at him pulling in. Woo! ISF looking good. All right, yeah, so we're walking to the club right now. Got a little rally going, or grouping. We're all in a pack right now. Got B following. Yeah, let's go see what's going on right now. Sheesh. Big old mob. Yeah, look at this all in a huddle.
That's a long stick. That's a long stick.
Middle section.
Yeah, just look at that, getting all the close-ups on you randoms. No, I'm just kidding. Tag your face, tag your face.
Hey, life of Frankie.
Tag your face.
You got a pop tag right here.
Pop tag, pop tag.
Oh, pop tag, pop tag. Pop tag, one better base. Hey, man.
Thank you, DC, my friend.
All of our ads will be in the description below.
Yeah, DM me your Instagram so I can try to tag you.
The last video I was in with Frankie, he called me Saucy 5-0.
I know.
That's all.
It's because you were looking saucy. Right here.
Yeah, could be mine.
That's my dad.
Frankie Senior. Yeah. That's your dad?
Yeah.
Our dad, right?
Get the fuck out of here. You're too Punjabi for me. Thank you very much, buddy. Clean the Cheetos off your fingers.
Hey man, fuck you. Hey, you don't say that.
Y'all say that.
You don't say that.
It's pretty far from that.
All right, well, we have a couple of announcements. The first of the announcements is we're bringing back Member of the Month. Yeah. I didn't say who it was yet. It's pretty simple. This month, the board decided that it should be Mike. Yeah. Mike, you want to come back there? In the middle of the circle. Pick him up, pick him up.
Hey, hold on. Mike's in his Crocs. Mike in the Crocs.
Obviously, this is for the month of January. We're a couple days late, but we figured this would be the best time too. We want to share our appreciation for you, Mike. You're always here. You're very active. You show your support, and you never complain. So if we can get a round of applause for Mike.
Fast guys.
For Dutch so much, here's a $20 gift card to Dutch.
My boy just pulled up. Sheesh. C63 AMG. That's good. Here we go, AMG boys.
Loaded into the prospect chat. They're just chatting in there.
Sheesh. Dukes of Hazzard!
Lucky Duke.
I put the cover on.
Sheesh! Damn it!
Gang, gang.
Alright. Got the GTR. The Ara. Nick with the Stinger. Hey, look, we got D pulling in. She ain't gonna have nowhere to park. Sheesh. Got the Ford dealership colors. Nice.
Nexus still.
Clean, clean. Woo. It's definitely a good turnout. Over here with the family, walking around, checking all these beautiful cars out. It's definitely fun though. But yeah, check these out. Bolt on Subi. Nice, nice, nice. Heck yeah.
And no red down top.
Oh, the DSM going in. Sheesh. Eclipse, 2G. LS3 Corvette swap. Nice. With long tube headers. Woo. Z06. Yeah. Looks good, man.
Thanks, man. Hell yeah.
That is a beautiful color. A lot of nice stuff on. Yeah? There you go. Oh, dang. This E92 M3 is just going hard. This thing is pretty good looking right there, I'll tell you what. Damn! This GS is clean. The AG wheels? Jeez. Okay, so now you guys can really see this place is popping. They're parked up on the grass over there. This place is just booming, and they just keep coming in. Their parking lot on the other side over there is filled, and the other parking on the other side is filled as well. And I mean, they're double parking everywhere. Cops just showed up. Like, this shit's getting wild. A lot of people. Well, my battery died, as I was trying to tell you guys that my battery was dying, and then I actually didn't bring my backup battery when I was there at the meet. But oh my goodness, that mega meet in Fresno was insane. It was the biggest meet that I have been to in years in Fresno. It's too many cars, but that is the end of today's video. So, you know, just want to let you guys know that. Also, that's CBM. So that's the car club I'm a part of. I'm gonna be making more videos with them, doing more stuff as to what cars are in the club, and then when we go out and hang out, I'll be shooting some more videos about that. So yeah, but that's about it, you guys. So I appreciate you guys for coming along, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So let's go. You!